between like Foxy Brown / Naomi Campbell / Little Kim. Hey Jules, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be recreating like a 90s inspired look. I was going for Foxy Brown / Lil Kim / Missy Elliott. I think that's it. We're basically going to channel all the baddies from the 90s. So if you'd like to see how I achieve this look, stay tuned. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. To moisturize my skin, I'm going to be using my Farmacy Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. So I'm going to start off with my brows first, using my Absolute New York Brow Pencil in the shade Smoke. So I noticed that they do their brows pretty skinny in the 90s, so I'm going to just trace out my brow. I'm going to be cleaning up my brows with my Milani Conceal and Perfect Longwear Concealer, and this is in the shade 165 Deep Tan. I'm going to go ahead and bring this all the way down because I'm going to use this as my primer for my eyeshadow as well. To prime my face, I'm going to be using my Touch in Sol No Poreblem primer. My foundation I'm using is my Milani Screen Queen Foundation, and this is in the shade Rich Sienna. To contour, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the shade Caviar. So Milani sent me their Fresh Fruit collection. It has 6 lip glosses, 3 eyeliners, and 3 setting sprays. So their Fruit Fetish setting sprays, they sent me the scents in Mango Coconut, Dragon Fruit Peach, and Kiwi Watermelon. And apparently it's the same formula as their Make It Last setting spray, so you can wear your makeup for 16 hours. Crease and smudge free wear. I want to test that out.
I would like to see it.
What flavor should I use though? Dragon fruit, mango, coconut, key. I think I'm gonna use dragon fruit peach. I'm gonna spray my face and blend my makeup in one more time with my foundation brush. Oh shit. She smells good. So we're just gonna blend in where we applied that foundation. So now that that's done, I'm going to go in with my Conceal and Perfect Concealer, and we're going to highlight our highlighting areas under our eye. This is in the shade Deep Tan. And this concealer does dry pretty fast in my opinion, so I'm not going to apply the concealer all over my face because by the time I finish blending under my eye it's going to be already set. I feel like in the 90s, I don't think I'm even going to highlight my forehead because the 90s didn't even do all of this, you know? I just feel like they had extreme flashback under their eyes. And that's not the look that we're going for, but we're going to have an extremely highlighted under eye to make up for it. But I feel like they were extremely flashback shawties and extremely matte. So after that, I am going to go in with my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette in the shade Dark to Deep. So I'm going to place this contour shade a bit higher than what I would usually put it. Because I feel like the girls back in the day, honey, them faces was snatched, okay? And not snatched like beat snatched, but they had them cheekbones. They had them cheekbones. So guess what we want? Them cheekbones. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe Bacon Set Setting Powder. This is in the shade Translucent. So the eyeshadow palette we're going to be working with today is the Morphe and Sweetie 24A Artist Pass. The first shade that we're going to go into is Security. Next we're going to go into Seek shade. I kind of want to redo this eye because it's coming out more purple than I'd like, but I feel like Foxy Brown and Missy Elliott, they had like a smoky eye thing going on, you know. And my inspiration for this look ended up being between like Foxy Brown / Naomi Campbell. And then for our lid, we're going to use the shade Secret Set. And I'm going to be applying that all over the lid, except I'm not going to be applying a primer. And should I use my finger? No, I'm using a brush because that's probably what they were using. They were probably using those applicators. We're not even gonna take it there because that's not even right. It's not okay. I'm applying this in my Sigma E55 eye shading brush. Even though this is a 90s look, high key it's a look. For my eyeliner, I'm going to be using my Essence Super Precise Liner. This is like my all-time favorite, and it's only like $3. So for my mascara, I'm going to be using my L'Oreal Paris Volumious Mascara. Wet n Wild blush in the shade Heather Silk. And to set all over my face, I'm going to be using my Black Radiance Pressed Powder in the shade Ebony. To melt all of that in, I'm going to be using one of the Fruit Fetish sprays from Milani's collection in the scent Dragon Fruit Peach. So I set my face and forgot to contour my nose, but I feel as if that's kind of okay because I don't think the girls were contouring their nose back in the day, you know what I'm saying? So we're just going to let this dry. So I'm going to be lining my waterline. I'm using my Ebin 24-hour gel eyeliner pencil in the shade Black. I'm going to be using my Nicka K Auto Lipliner pencil in the shade Dark Brown. For my lipstick, I'm using my Revlon lipstick, and this is in the shade Mink. At first, I topped off my lips with Sweetie's Boss Tycoon Icy Lip Gloss. I decided that my lip liner wasn't as dramatic, so I went back in with my LA Girl Glide eyeliner pencil in the shade Black. I then went back in with another Icy Lip by Sweetie and topped it off with 8-inch. The girls used to love a good brow bone highlight, so I'm going to be going in the shade Face of the Day from the same palette as my brow bone highlight. So this is the finished look, and I feel like Foxy Brown, but maybe because y'all don't see the top. Y'all gotta see the top, okay? It's giving you Foxy Brown tease. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you would like to see in the future, and until next time.